Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can post TikTok videos without your friends and family seeing. So if you want to start creating a video on TikTok but you are too embarrassed in case your friends or family see your TikTok videos, you can just follow these steps right here to prevent that. So first, let's just go to the TikTok apps. And then after it's open, you can go to your profile, click on this profile button. And then after that, here you can click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, go to the settings and privacy. And then tap on privacy under the account. And you'll see these options under discoverability. Suggest your account to others. Click on this and you can see this is the suggest your account to others. So what you need to do to prevent your friends and family see your TikTok videos, you can just make sure that all of these options is off. I'm going to turn this off also. So when it is off, the TikTok won't suggest your account to your contacts. That means if your family or friends on your contacts have TikTok account, they won't see your TikTok account as the suggestion, follow suggestions, and also this Facebook friends. So if you turn it on, it will suggest your account to your Facebook friends, maybe include your family. So make sure that this also off. And here the last one is people who open or send links to you. Maybe on your family group chat, someone send you a link, a TikTok link of something. So if you open it, then your friends will know that you also have a TikTok account, so they can see the follow suggestion of your account. So you need to also make sure that this is off. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. This is how you can post TikTok videos without your friends and family seeing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and click on the thumbs up icon at the bottom. And if you have any question, you can also leave a comment down below. Just you can ask or just give me appreciation for this video, and also don't forget to subscribe and click on thanks. Bye.